Like somebody will actually tell us them I got in bed. And you get up and go sit them on Facebook in the night.
I work security in many clubs, Mount Vernon, the Bronx, Manhattan, all over, and I'm stopping a lot of fights over Facebook. You messing with my baby daddy and a lot of drama, and they're fighting, and the cops have to intervene, and I don't agree with Facebook at all.
Facebook is there for however you want to use it.
There was a list put up of smuts, so who sucks what.
Really? I never heard that one.
And yeah, you can go on the page and you can look and see what girls do what.
Me and this girl were seeing the same guy, and she wasn't aware of me, so I let her know who I was. And she wasn't happy. She started getting on her face in the inbox, so I blocked her. And sure enough, she had like 5 of her friends friend request me, is talking to me, trying to be gay, trying to say, oh, I like you, I want to get to know you.
That's the first I heard a story like that.
A guy was ejaculating on her, and she had her breasts and everything revealed. So it can be a good and bad thing if it's used the wrong way. Or
the reason why I joined Facebook is because I have 2 teenagers who are on Facebook, and I wanted to monitor what they're talking about.
But they can be...
No, I told them, if I cannot be on your Facebook page, if I can't get on your Facebook page, I know exactly who to contact to have it removed. So they both invited me, so I have access to everything. Theirs and their friends and their friends' friends. And some of the stuff that I've seen, I just told my daughter, be careful what you put on there, because anything you put on Facebook can be traced.
To disapprove somebody because of what they do on their own personal, private, you know what I'm saying, website on the internet, we have rights too, you know? So... I don't know, that's kind of crazy.
One of my close friends, she was seeing a guy, and she did not know for a whole year that he had a girlfriend for maybe like 3 years. And so the guy broke up with the girlfriend, and he's with my friend. And so the ex made a fake man page and was trying to bag my friend. And then it seemed right, so my friend was like, this girl is trying to, you know...
Going hard,
trying to be a guy, and she's not.
My girlfriend was telling me the other day that there was a guy, you know, he put a picture of his, you know, genitalia, you know, on Facebook or whatever, and he was like, you know, I don't know, this is what the girls want or something like that. I don't know, some immature stupidness or whatever, you know?
I disagree, because I don't think your boss, why would you have your boss or your employer on Facebook? Like, I think it's stupid, actually.
I feel that she's right in what she's saying, that yes, it does hold weight in your status on trying to get a job. But I don't agree with what she said about her getting Facebook to access her children's, whatever, her information. I feel that you shouldn't do that. That makes your children want to be more sneakier. I remember when I had MySpace, and my mother tried to look at my MySpace, and that was just outrageous. And that made me start sending messages, private messages that she couldn't see. You know what I mean? Like, you...
Then you delete it afterwards.
Yeah, like, you don't want to do that. Like, you don't. If anything, you should have just, like, went on someone else's page and looked at your kid's page, but don't...
Things can go down on Facebook or whatever, but they got security measures in place, you know, that, you know, because, I mean, the minute I have a problem with you or whatever, I don't even waste time talking. Like, you're blocked.
Me too,
like, you're done. I don't have time to argue with you, and it does not matter. You know what I'm saying? Like,
they can really embarrass you on there. And everyone will know, and everyone will see.
It's insignificant to my life.
And I would say, listen, this is not appropriate. You can't let everyone know what is really going on in the house. Don't let anyone know what you and your kid's father is having, or what you ate, or, you know, it's not everything. Like, I see them, I'm like, oh my God, Lisa, and I call her immediately. Lisa, that is all. I said, well, Mommy, you don't have to look at it, and nobody can be on my page. And I said, well, listen, you're going to be on my page, and I have quality people on my page, and they're going to read it too, so I don't want to see. Sometimes I just click it off.
They got pictures with M16s and, you know, like craziness, like, you know? So, I don't know, I don't know, this whole system just seems like, you know, it's just making things harder for black people.
A girlfriend of mine broke up with her daughter's father. And she knew he was a dog. He was messing with all the women in the neighborhood and everything. So she went on a page, you know, she did a different page, and he fell for it. And all along she met up with him, and it was her, so he was surprised.
Create a fake page.
Surprise. So the computer is made up just to link everybody up, to have everybody locked up. If you really think about it, this is how the police get everybody, because all of our information is on the computer, whether you know it or not. And another thing I have to say,
They can even tell what
the
kind of person you are.
the feds are saying when your computer's wide open, if you have a screen wide open, even if you're not on, they can see you.
Yeah, I heard that before.
They can watch you through the computers.
Facebook is a thing like this. If you go back 10 years time after and you put your password in, your everything pop right up. It never go away, baby.
Yeah, you could Google yourself.
Everybody, once you find one person, it's like a circle. Everybody coming.
Yeah, that's true.
Capo, don't it's good for a woman to lick another woman and then lick a man? I mean say, so I answer back and say, lick what? You mean give him a fist or take a piece of
So, you know, them do all kind of things to get attention or whatever, you know.
Facebook can say, all right, I'm going to my bed right now. I'm going in the kitchen right now. I just got breakfast.
That's true. That's like Twitter.
What's up, baby? Why you put a picture like this? Like you want blind me and she said, so what's on your mind? Speak it up. Somebody say, hear me now. So what happened? So yeah, you want me now? I can fly back down to Jamaica, come touch up that something with me.
And you know, you and your girlfriend in a relationship or whatever, and someone will call themselves your brethren or whatever, you understand? If you have a trustworthy girl in a my lord, you understand? For real, you understand? And you know, them are go send her a message, you know what I'm saying?
There's a female that's meeting up with guys on Facebook. She has HIV, full-blown AIDS. And she's spreading it and spreading it. They looking for her, they can't find her, no address.
They have the same thing for the men.
You see it? So you have to be careful, okay, man? It's not that easy.
The one thing that I hate is Facebook stalkers. I went to go buy some food one day from a restaurant, and I'm a very friendly person. I smile a lot, I talk, I'm very friendly.
You smile with every guy you meet, dude.
But why? Guys mustn't be so dumb. I smile with you, but so what?
That doesn't mean.
If a girl give me a smile, I'm going for it. That's it. And if you give me one of them mad, ugly faces like, well, I don't like her attitude. I'm not even gonna holler at her. So I like what he said.
So I went to a restaurant to go buy food, and I smile at the person, and I don't know him from anywhere. One day I go on Facebook and I have a request, and you know how you can send a message before you send a request. Oh, please don't be mad at me. I saw you at my restaurant, and now I'm requesting you.
So how you know your info?
I guess because I use my credit card. But I think
what the world? Yeah, that's scary.
I don't like that.
You blocked him?
Like, no, I didn't accept him.
You can't look woman on Facebook. That no work out. Natural. That's it. You know, waste of time that, you know, so big up backyard.
You would know?
It's like when you got your girl on your page, she wanna look through what girl you got, she wanna do this,
but
that,
she could create a fake page.
Nah, but we still know we ain't that dumb, like we still know. Like, come on.
Yes you are that dumb. No offense to the men, but it is. You are that dumb. All your girlfriend has to do is create someone that she know you like. And go copy and paste some pictures, right?
I don't have a problem being on my boyfriend's page, and he doesn't have a problem with mine, because he knows all my friends are 99.9 male friends.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I have a little hot head on my hands, alright? Because, yo, my girlfriend, yo, I have to block her.
Oh no. What?
Exactly, I gotta block her. I gotta block her.
Well, Shireen.
No, there's no difference. She says she's a woman. It's no difference. Right now, I'm a girlfriend. I ain't move up to wifey level, but I'm wifey material. But anyways, that's besides the point. But there's not a difference between being a woman or a girlfriend. At the end of the day, if you see anything on your man page, your man posts a big picture of him kissing up with the next girl, or your man come post up a picture of him hugging up a girl.
Or the girl tagged the picture on your man's page?
She tagging every picture. Let one girl tag every. Oh yeah, me like that. No, you're gonna feel
You have a girlfriend or you have a boyfriend, long time boyfriend, and you know because we know this always work in a relationship. Whatever make you no mash up, but deep down in your back of your mind, you know done.
Usual.
On Facebook, the all-time boyfriend a street flipping back up on you. Hey, what's up, sweetie? You already have a man already, you know. But
you want that person back?
Yeah, and it costs a lot. Facebook is no good.
I couldn't find my kid's father for a whole day. That night, I looking, asking everybody where he at. Somebody tagged him in a picture with him dancing with a girl at a barbecue.
So
the girl he was dancing with was my enemy.
So
you know, it was like
time it could break hearts, because I remember no, I remember like, yo, I was so into this guy, like so into him, like just everything, like I was so into him, and like I'm scrolling down the page and then I see him kissing some Spanish girl. So I'm like, what? Yo, I swear my heart just broke right then and there. Like, it's the truth, like, because some people just aren't for you.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
It will break your heart. Like,
my ex-girlfriend, she's in Jamaica right now. I block him, but somehow she put in her friends to tag me, to request me. So I had no idea the connection between two of them. So I requested the girl, and she sent me this email, some ridiculous email. Some Jamaican women cuss real bad. They cuss really, really bad.
That's true.
And she said something like, I said, Ras Capo, and go suck this and go suck that. I said, what the hell is this? And when I realized, when I checked her page, I saw her friend page, I see that she and the girl is like, yeah. I had to block her. And for the past 4 weeks, I keep blocking people that connect to the same person.
Oh, wow. She created that many pages?
No, her friends. But the
friends?
Request me.
of course, after keying cars and breaking windows and all of the craziness.
Some woman sent me some picture from them was 16-year-old. And then when you're looking at them, they say, oh, it's a beautiful chick this year. But then when she sent the
you met her in person, didn't you? You met her in person?
When you go into her album and you start to see the real her now, who she is today, you're like, oh shit. Lord of mercy.
As a man, like, normally you see a girl and she look extra like pretty or some shit, they probably gonna click add as friend. And then you add her now and then you go to her pictures, it's mad face pictures, only her face alone. Automatically.
Because I added a girl, I thought she was a girl, and she just had a face, no body. And then I hit Shorty up. I'm hitting Shorty up on my iPhone, and she was like, do you mind? Because I am a transgender. I'm like, oh. I'm glad I didn't meet you. Bye-bye, delete.
Some people use it for business. I do too. But personally, I don't really give trees straws. You understand? Because the whole world needs to know what's going on. You can't hide nothing no more. Don't kid yourself. You understand me? Everybody know everything.
Yes, this is Ras Capo. I have a brand new album out there. It's everywhere. Here, there, and everywhere. By the name of Mount Zion. Beautiful album, not because I'm the singer, the writer, but it's a beautiful album. I get that every day from everybody. Title of the album is Could This Be True? Name of the album, Mount Zion. Alright, so you can find it on Facebook at Ras Capo. You can find it on cd.com, cdbaby.com, Ras Capo also. MySpace, Ras Capo. YouTube, Ras Capo. You can also find it on Backyard TV too. You can watch the video, the latest video called Could This Be True? It's on Backyard TVs as well. And make sure you look for the one Jamaica song where 20 Jamaican dance in a million different ways.
Yes, you can, I'm an artist myself, recording artist, Frazzle. You can find my music on Facebook, iTunes at califrazzle.com. Another night, purchase it $1.99. You could Facebook, Frazzle, Twitter, Frazzle, SoundCloud, Frazzle, isn't it? YouTube, Frazzle, we're out there, isn't it? And Black Boy Production, like, out there, yeah. Want you another night, hop on the bike, give me cause of that you like, Frazzle want to do you right, got me addicted with your thing, we're tight when she fling it on the left, on the right, give me cause of that you like, yes, man.
Hi, my name is Bettiluv.
Love.
Yes, the 3 V's, a vivacious, victorious Virgo. I'm a radio personality on Touch FM Radio, touchfmradio.com. That's 105.5 FM. My show is aired every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4 to 6 p.m. with John Hines and myself. It's an interactive show. As I always say, it's your show. I'm just the moderator. We speak about anything and everything. Call in.
Well, I'm Empress Genie, and I'm just promoting Shireen here and Backyard TV, and I'm just following from Mount Vernon Yearning.
I'm Mr. Moody. Not Earl Moody down there, no. I'm the real Mr. Moody. You understand? And I believe, I coin this phrase, if you're not moody, you're not alive. Wake up and smell the ganja. You understand me? Yeah. We need the moves, these changing, these varieties, you know, we need it. I'm a community activist and a community leader. I'm a businessman, entrepreneur. I do a whole lot of things. I do graphic arts and design. I like putting things together. You understand? So for you ladies, that's interesting. Listen, you have to know what I do, you know. You understand me? All I must know is that sometimes I find it difficult to have any money because I always giving it away. So I need help. You understand me?
Konscious one. I'm here, right here, Backyard Studio. Every day of the week, you know.
Skinne John in the building, Backyard TV. Big up everyone inside the building. One love to everybody, you know. Trust me. A music me deal with, say me reggae artist. Really have a song coming up, I promote a song. We're going to do a video shooting with Backyard TV. Next month in July, Backyard going to do the video shooting in Tribulation, you know. Tribulation, wow, wow. Every day I go out working, they want you to work off your shirt, off your back, but they don't want to pay much, oh no. Listen to what I've got to say. What a tribulation, what a revelation, what a tribulation, what a revelation, in a this a tribulation.
Thank you. Good. Come here, Ras.
First of all, I want to shout out Shireen for inviting me to her lovely situation. Big up to Backyard TV. I'm a DJ in the Bronx. I work for Chocolate Dime Entertainment. Shout out to Sex Boogie the Boss. You can check us out at chocolatedime.com. Our Facebook, Rasmus Harrison at facebook.com. And you know, I play all types of music for all sorts of occasions, hip hop, rap, R&B, reggae, dancehall, everything. So that's basically it. Shout out to everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Look that up.
Hey, hi, my name is Alicia, I'm 19. I'm a teen advocate as well as an entrepreneur. I have my own business making cakes. I specialize in cupcakes. Hit me up, Crave Pastries, 914-979-0540. I'm also a rapper and a songwriter. So, I mean, if you guys want to collabos, hit me up. When I spit balls, it's like a homicide case. It's coming at you faster than the highway chasing. That means I pop a nose straight to your face. Forget the knives and the ratchets. Let's go a couple rounds. You smell like you can't take the heat I'm throwing down. I'm on me strong, so you know I'm a soldier. Papa stand never look down even when you old.
Now, that was really hot. Stand up.
Again, it's 914-979-0540. I do all themes. I do liquor infusion cupcakes. I make adult candies. You know what I'm talking about.
How you doing?
Hi.
Shout out to Backyard TV. This is Hershey. A lot of people know me. I'm an exotic dancer, up and coming porn star. Because
Up and coming what?
porn star.
Excuse me.
Yeah. You better watch out.
Why they call you Hershey?
Because I'm sweet.
Where you on YouTube?
Yeah, it's DJ Super X, part of the CDE team. Got my do wedding designers. I do wedding movies. I'm about to direct the porn. Young up and coming DJ. I work at Club Scream on 138th Street. Come check it out. Good dance hall, all type of music, play good. I do what it do. I throws down. Yeah, Super X.
I say, good night, people. Once again, I don't know. Blessed to the Father up above. I am with love. So I say, lecturer.
Yeah, if you don't remember who I am, I'm much better looking now. So yeah, I got the looks. You know, July 14th, Mr. Lecturer is in the building. Get us splash to the extremes. Yeah. So, you know what it is? Anyway, camera, them ever show off my new looks.
See, I don't know, say, the young favorite Chinese assassin because assassin bad company don't follow unless it's on Twitter. Get us splash a mad thing, you know, when you say wet things are wet things.
Wet things, straight.
6:30, you saw me while you bend down. Good body, no, your titty, then no.
because of that. Me not inna the talking, better bring your friend come. When a threesome, tell me Trini she wa, tata what she get at the Trini she wa, tata what she get at the Trini she wa, tata what she get. Ha! Scatter tata tata. Boom.
Let's have a big thing we want shot to the crowd to the world now. You don't know.
Thing already. Not chain. Backyard got the city lock. We get the girls hot. We keep the dance on fire. Boom. We got the city lock. We get the girls hot. We keep the dance on fire. Ask a fool what them know about this when we pop that any. Sip that Chris. Backyard TV. Lecturer said that's what it is. Thank you.
Don't forget, July 14, the big mad thing, you don't know. You see it? Mad at Jamesbury Community Center, 136, yeah, between Lennox and 7th Avenue, you don't know. 151, yeah, west. Check it out, you don't know, it's like a mad or crazy. So I say, get a splash to the extreme. You want to hear something from me?
Yes.
People, I love you now.
You know, ever since, how long I know you, about 50 years now. And he made invitation on top of invitation on top of invitation. So one day I just walked in and he invited me for this evening. And I'm happy to have my daughter here because I hear some stories. Interested. No, she lives on her own. So I want to say thanks again, Backyard TV, for having Bettiluv, the Vivacious Victorious Virgo. Just look out for that logo every time. 5-year promotion coming up August 29th.
Big up Backyard TV. Yes, Mr. Howell, Backyard TV. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, with enough respect. And it's a pleasure to be here, you know, with this gathering tonight, knowing that it caused through Backyard TV and a good vibration, true love, and good rhythm stuff. So this is Ras Capo once again, and audience, I want you to know, if you love reggae music, we only have only one reggae record store left in Bronx, New York, and I want to know if you go and support it. I want to go, make sure so you want to pick up Ras Capo album, Ras Capo CD, or Ras Capo 45 first before you pick up anything else. It's near Mount Zion. Otherwise, can't go on without Jaded brand new single here. Did it ready, hot.
What's the name of the place to go pick it up?
Moody's Record. One and only record store that live in the big up Moody's Record. 225th on White Plains Road.
I understand Moody's has been in this town for quite some time, over 30 years. Earl, I love you. Richard, Doobie, the whole Moody family.
Before I said I was a teen advocate, I had my own organization for teenagers called More Than a Teen. I'm looking for sponsors, donations, whatever. My organization is to inform teenagers on STDs and HIV and AIDS. And what's donated sometimes goes to mothers in need of diapers, because I was once a 15-year-old mother, and I wish there was some type of program that would help me with diapers. So that's what I do.
Thank you, everyone, for coming tonight, and I'd like to thank Mr. Howell for giving me this opportunity. Come, Howell, Backyard TV.
But Waris, yes, everyone, it was a real honor, I enjoyed myself. The show was great, and I can say mission accomplished. It was great to have everybody in here, good brethren in here, is what I'm saying, and people I met for the first time. I want to say bless up everybody. I'm going to bring out some curry goat and rice. We're all over the internet, I will become a friend on Facebook, facebook.com/backyardtv, YouTube, our YouTube channel, youtube.com/backyardtv, twitter.com/backyardtv, Instagram @backyardtv. So we kind of, if you Google Backyard TV, I'm Howell, aka the owner for the yard. So if you put in, go Google the owner for the yard, anything like that, then you take it right to some Backyard TV in some form, whether it's Facebook. The official website is backyardtv.net. We have to build the community. We have to build wealth. That's what I'm saying, and everything comes to information. So whatever you're doing, my little part of the deal is to get the information out there. So that information can generate whatever you're trying to accomplish. Whether you're trying to make some money or you know, you're trying to, you know, bust a tune or whatever. You see what I'm saying? That's what the whole foundation of everything.
Information.
Yes. So
engine for us, right?
exactly. I want to put the thing out there, and it got there. A lot of people seeing it. A lot of people watch it, and I always get good response from the stuff I do. Always. I'm not talking about all over the world. Always good response. So once again, just big up to everybody. All right, thanks for coming, and I hope to see each and every one in your face again. You know, you're very creative. You come up with different type of drinks and stuff like that. Tell us about some of the stuff that you create as a bartender. May I dry out now, guys?
I have, like, one of my main things I like to offer for the females is the blowjobs. Okay. That's Bailey's, Kahlua, whipped cream and cherries, a little bit of rum or a little bit of Hennessy. Gang bang for the men. Yes, Alizé, Hypnotic, and Hennessy.
Okay, all right.
I have a lot of different stuff I like to try on people. I like to do the whipped cream all on the table, do the belly stuff, all that good stuff. I like to make it interesting for couples because sometimes people come at the bar and they're sad, they're depressed, they need something to make them sad. I'm like, you're bored, I'm bored, let's have some fun.
All right.
At least if they came there depressed, they leave somewhat feeling better than when they walked in.
All right. Like me, I want to see people happy. That's why I do what I do. You know, I want to see people smile. When you come in here, you're supposed to, whatever I do, you're supposed to leave happy. You know, when you leave, you're supposed to.
And you just let off some
entertain.
steam.
You let off some steam and be entertained. And, you know, so in whatever form, you know, as long as it brings happiness. You know, if you come to bartending, if you come to a talk show, all right, and that's why your name is Bettiluv. that's a walking love. That's a walking love thing. Whatever, love stuff. What? All right, massive. So, you know, thanks for coming.